Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing an update on my Celine repair. If you guys didn't see, a while back I posted a vlog where my brand new Celine Trio bag was ruined. If you haven't seen that video, I definitely recommend you go checking that out. But in today's video I'm going to be sharing the update, what happened. I received a call from Celine, so I want to share everything with you guys. I find that these videos could be helpful as a reference for anyone who may be going through the same thing or need a repair, and just be helpful to kind of share what the experience is store to store. So I personally have never gone through a Celine repair or cleaning service, so this was new to me. Just to kind of summarize, my new Celine Trio somehow got some really horrible stains on the bag, to the point that I thought the bag was actually completely ruined and there was no saving it. I did call Celine because the bag was brand new, and I just shared what happened. They told me that they can send it out for their cleaning service. Again, it wasn't their repair service, but their cleaning service. And they said that it would take 8 to 12 weeks. Now, they called me in under 2 weeks. So they called me about 10 days after me having dropped off the bag. So that time frame, they gave me a time frame of 8 to 12 weeks to hear back. And then they called me within 10 days. Now, one thing that the sales associate shared with me was that the cleaning team would contact him with an update, and then he would contact me. Like, I would get an update. And I didn't get an update. All I got was, come in and your bag is ready for pickup. So initially when he reached out, I thought it was almost like they sent it back without treating it or taking care of it, because the turnaround time was so quick. And also because I didn't get a call saying, okay, we figured it out, this is what we're doing to you know, clean the bag or repair the bag. The sales associate said, yep, come in to pick up the bag. So I just really had to make my way to Soho and get the bag because I wanted to know. They obviously packaged it up nicely for me in a new Celine bag, and they gave me actually a new dust bag as well. So here is my bag in here. I haven't really looked at this too much. I looked at it in store initially when I accepted it, but I have not really inspected it. I wanted to just come home and film for you guys and share my thoughts. So let's have a look. They gave me a new dust bag. So if you guys forgot, I'm just going to do a before and after. If you guys forgot or didn't see that video, I'm going to put a picture in now of what the bag looked like when it happens, like before I dropped it off. So you can see it before and after. And so as you can see, the bag looks a little scary. There are lots of stains, and again, I do not know what these stains were. This is what my bag looks like now. I can see, like on camera, looking at it at a distance, it looks great. It looks like nothing really is on the bag. Up close, you can see like little blotchy areas where the stains were, but they have really done well. Like here was one big stain, and you can kind of see like there's an imperfection there with the leather right around here. That again is in like certain lighting, and you have to look really close. It's not very noticeable. There was another stain here and like a scuff, and as you can see, there's still like a little dent there, and there's like another imperfection in the leather there, but again, nothing too noticeable in comparison to what it looked like prior to me dropping it off. Honestly, I feel like reaching out to my sales associate and just asking like what they did to the bag. Like, could they tell me of anything of what could that have been? Also, I wanted to share, nothing leaked through to the interior of the bags. Whatever was on the outside of the bag didn't affect the inside of the bag. And the Celine Paris there still looks pretty good. Feels like it could use a little leather conditioning. Like, it doesn't feel as soft and smooth as it first comes. It feels a little stiff right now to touch. Inside there is some paperwork, and I wanted to go over that with you. There's this service card, and I'll read it to you. So it says, Celine Paris, we are pleased to return your product. It has been carefully repaired, and we hope you'll be fully satisfied. We remain at your disposal should you need further assistance. Do not hesitate to contact us at a Celine store or Celine.com. Appreciate one thing I will say about their service, cleaning service. There was absolutely no charge for this, and honestly, don't forget this was a brand new bag. But I think even if this had not been a brand new bag, it does not seem like there's any fees associated with, well, cleaned at least. I don't know about repairs because I know that can vary, but at least for cleaning it appears that there's no costs associated with that. So I know I've mentioned this in a previous video. This is an example of why, when possible, especially if you're buying a brand new bag, it really helps to buy things directly from the brand. So when you buy something from Celine, when you buy something from Saint Laurent, it's better to buy it directly from the brand versus buying it maybe at a department store. You couldn't, like, let's say Louis Vuitton, Chanel, that's different because you would only buy those at Chanel boutiques or a Louis Vuitton boutique. But obviously Celine, they sell Celine at department stores, they sell Saint Laurent at department stores. So I would suggest, when possible, shopping with the boutique. I think it just helps and makes things easier should you get into a bind or ever need a repair. I'm quite sure if you're purchasing something that is from the brand, you know, you're still able to bring it back to a boutique and say, hey, I purchased this bag at Bergdorf's, but honestly, this happened. Can you help me? I'm sure they would be assisting you, but I think it's just something to note. I will say I've gotten repairs and things sent away from everywhere from Hermes, Saint Laurent to Louis Vuitton, and I will say that Celine was, to me, the best experience. And I say that because they really had a carefree, stress-free approach to it. It was like, no worries, bring it in, we'll see what we can do, we'll take it from there. I feel like other brands, at some point you're already feeling like the distance, like we'll see, we're not sure, and Celine really took ownership. The experience was, we're going to help you with this, but let's see what we can do, you know. Also, I really appreciate the fact that there were no costs associated with it. Granted, I'm going to take responsibility. I don't know what happened, but obviously it must have been something. I didn't receive the bag in that condition, so there had to be something that I did, right? To know that they were willing to take it, you know, take care of it for me, no questions asked, no cost associated, that was very comforting. Really do appreciate that. Another thing I appreciated about the entire experience with Celine was the turnaround time, because the quote that they initially gave me of 8 to 12 weeks, I feel like that's everywhere. They'll tell you like this long time, and sometimes you're kind of delaying sending away your items for repair because you're told it's going to be months before you get it back. Celine gave me the expectation of 8 to 12 weeks, and within 10 days, not even 2 full weeks, guys, within 10 days they were telling me the bag was ready to be picked up. So it had already been sent away, repaired, and sent back to the boutique, because at the time that the sales associate reached out to me, he already had the bag back in the boutique. So he was saying, the bag is here with me, you can come in when you're ready to pick it up. I think that turnaround time was just excellent. That's the update on my Celine trio. I'm gonna try to just enjoy this bag now and not stress it, because honestly, like I told you before, I don't know what happened, but I'm just going to enjoy the bag. I'm happy to have it back, and I'm very satisfied with the results of the cleaning and repair. So guys, what are your thoughts on it? Like, do you guys think it's obvious? What do you guys think happened to my bag? Like, what are your thoughts? What do you think happened to the bag? What do you think of the results in my experience? Just looking at it on first glance, it doesn't look like a brand new bag anymore. And I'll just show you the back so you can see how smooth and almost like flawless the back of the bag looks. Then now in the front, just you know, does look like it's already been a bag that's been worn significantly. But again, I am still satisfied with the results. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment sections below. I am just going to use this bag and enjoy it at this point. But I'm very happy they were able to kind of save it for me because I really was not sure. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.